So what is Healthy People 2020? According to the Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion, Healthy People 2020 provides science-based 10-year national objectives for improving the health of all Americans. Healthy People has established benchmarks and monitored progress over time in order to encourage collaborations across communities and sectors, empower individuals toward making informed health decisions, and measuring the impact of prevention activities. Healthy People 2020 is broken up into many sections. The first section is topics and objectives. Healthy People 2020 is organized into 42 topic areas. In the topic areas, you'll find 4 tabs: Overview, Objectives, Interventions and Resources, and National Snapshots. So if we were to click on Adolescent Health, in the Overview tab, we would find a brief introduction to the topic, along with information about why it's important to the nation's health. In the Objectives tabs, we are able to read a list of all the objectives in the topic area. Each measurable objective includes a baseline target and a data source. In the Interventions and Resources section, we are able to browse this tab for topic-specific evidence-based intervention strategies, clinical recommendations, and links to consumer health information. And lastly, we have the National Snapshot tab. In this tab, we are able to view graphics and images that represent current data for selected objectives in the topic area. The next category that we would like to look at is leading health indicators. Leading health indicators are a set of objectives that reflect high priority health issues and communicate actions that we can take to address them. The current leading health topics: access to health services, clinical preventative services, environmental quality, injury and violence, maternal, infant, and child health, mental health, nutrition, physical activity and obesity, oral health, reproductive and sexual health, social determinants of health, substance abuse, and tobacco. Our Data Search tab is an interactive data search tool that allows you to explore data related to Healthy People 2020 objectives. You're able to search data using objective filters like topic or data source. Next up, we have Healthy People in Action. This area lets us learn how communities around the country are implementing Healthy People objectives and how they're contributing to the overall achievement of Healthy People 2020 goals. In this category, we're able to find stories from communities across the country. We're able to join the Healthy People 2020 consortium. We can find our Healthy People coordinator for our state or territory. We're able to learn how states and territories are using Healthy People 2020 to improve health, and we can connect with Healthy People online. The next section is Tools and Resources. These tools and resources allow us to learn more about Healthy People and help improve health in your community. It allows us to search evidence-based resources, check out Healthy People e-learning topics, use program planning tools that are already available to you to help mobilize partners, assess community need, create and implement program plans, and track community progress. And we can also add Healthy People content to an existing website. We also have a variety of webinars and events related to Healthy People 2020. This page is updated regularly for upcoming webinars and events, public meetings, tools, and new resources. You can see that there's an upcoming webinar entitled Exploring Evidence-Based Legal and Policy Strategies to Prevent Fatal Injuries and Violence that is taking place on Wednesday, October 31st. They will always have listed which leading health indicator the program is serving. Healthy People 2020 has been a great resource for use in my classroom, as we have outdated textbook information for my health class. Students are able to access this website to look up information related to topics and objectives that we're discussing. Students have recently used areas containing information on physical activity, nutrition and weight status, global health. We are currently working within the mental health and mental disorders category, and will be moving to substance abuse soon. I hope that this has provided an amazing overview for how you might be able to use Healthy People 2020 to support things in your classroom. Thank you, and have a great day.